Formula One cars accelerate so fast because almost every part of the machine is built to turn energy into motion with extreme efficiency. The engine produces enormous power, but raw horsepower alone is not the full answer. The car is also very light, very aerodynamic, and designed to waste as little energy as possible. A Formula One car weighs little more than the driver in a compact collection of carbon fiber parts. Less mass means less force is needed to change speed. When the driver presses the throttle, the power unit can turn the rear wheels with immediate force, and the car surges forward far more quickly than a road car ever could. The tires play an equally important role. They are wide, sticky, and engineered to grip the track under intense load. Without grip, power would only cause wheel spin. With grip, the force from the engine becomes forward motion. The tires are the bridge between engineering and acceleration. Aerodynamics adds another layer. The bodywork is shaped to cut through the air, but also to push the car downward onto the track. This downforce increases grip at high speed, allowing the car to apply even more power without losing traction. It is a strange balance. The car fights the air so it can use the air to hold itself to the road. The transmission is designed to keep the engine in its optimal power range, shifting with lightning speed so there is almost no interruption in thrust. Every system works in coordination, from the hybrid energy recovery unit to the electronics that manage torque delivery. The result is not just a fast engine, but a machine that delivers speed with precision. What makes Formula One acceleration remarkable is the combination of all these factors. Lightweight, massive power, exceptional grip, advanced aerodynamics, and rapid gear changes create a car that does not merely move quickly. It launches, claws, and adapts in a way that makes ordinary acceleration seem almost still.